kayo. Kinikilig. Pero, ibig sabihin nun, ang lakas pa ng spark niyan talaga. Ngayon, sasabihin na ni Cholo ang kanyang marriage vows. Yan, record niya yan, ha? Okay. Sige, okay lang naman kahit may kodigo. Kasi para wala sila makalimutan. Gusto nila sabihin. Sige, pakinggan po natin ang marriage vows ni Cholo kay Arya.
Hindi ko alam kung ano yung ginawa kong mabuti para ibigay ka sa akin, Lord. Binigay niya yung taong mahal na mahal ako. Ikaw lang yun. Iingatan kita habang buhay. Hindi ako mapapagod at hindi ako magsasawa. Kahit tupakin ka at pagbuhay, lagi ang susuyuin sa bawat pagkakataon. Ikaw lagi ang una kong iisipin hanggang sa kabilang buhay ikaw lang ang
Saan mo kinopyan?
Gansihan mo, Ira.
Medyo mahaba-haba po.
Sige, pero magbukas pa tayo.
Happy Manson mo. Today is the day that we have been waiting and praying for. Ano ba yan? The day in front of our loved ones together, we will be one with God and do His will. This is marriage. I can still remember the first time we met. Dumayo ka pa talaga ng Bacoor for the second time na nag-attempt ka makipagkita sa akin. Ang ganda ko naman. Nung una, I was so scared and I don't know what to do. Kasi iniisip ko kung baka saan mo ko tangayin. Pero trinay ko. Dahil nung unti-unti kitang nakikita na nakatayo at nag-aantay sa akin, I heard a still small voice that says, "There goes my future husband." You are not my ideal guy, nor dream guy, but usually God has a better plan. You are more than what I asked for. God gave me someone that's suitable for me. Before I only knew that praising the Bible, that is not good for a man to be alone. God will help your pastor. And God will give him a suitable companion to help him. Now, I know and experience what partnership and companionship are. Really, the God is the God who rewards faithfulness and obedience. Today, mahal, I vow to love you above all next to Jesus. I vow to honor and support you in everything you do. I vow to submit to you by Miss Anot. I vow to fight for this good-given relationship. I vow to forgive you for all your mistakes and shortcomings. Dahil ako naman palaging tama. And keep no records of wrong. I promise to your partners in all things, to be your partners, to communicate openly and honestly, and found to put God first, and let Him be the center of our relationship. I'm excited to start this new season with you. I promise to choose you because that is my decision. Thank you dahil bukod sa nanay ko, sa'yo ko narasan maging paborito. Di na titingin sa iba dahil sa'yo parang nagbibilog na paningin ko.
Unique, very unique.
I love you, Pucholo, with all my heart. Even when I'm a senior citizen na, I'll never forget how my heart loved you at 22. Mahal kita and mahal naman.
well said. And well, ngayon lang nakarinig ng ganun, very heartfelt. No? Yes, to tell you seriously, it is my first time to hear that kind of wow. Kay Cholo, it's very heartfelt. I don't know kung saan yung hinugot yan. Pero I believe you dug it from the bottom. Very, very well. So we'll now go to the ring vows.
Yes.
Okay. So, sorry. Hindi ako sa... Okay. Okay? Sige po. Ang singsing ay bilog, simbolo ng walang hanggan, walang simula, walang wakas. Ito rin ay ginto, hindi kumukupas. Ito ay upang ipakita kung gaano katibay ang sinumpaang pagtitiwala sa isa't isa. Tungkulin ng bawat isang pangalagaan ang inyong pagsasama bilang mag-asawa at alalahanin kayo ay hindi na dalawa, kundi isa o isa na sa harapan ng Diyos at lipunan. Kailangan pag-ingatan ang inyong reputasyon bilang di mapaghiwalay na pagsasama bilang mag-asawa. At upang ipakita na ang pinagsama ng Diyos ay di dapat paghiwalayin ng tao. Bilang katibayan ng inyong kasunduan, iaabot ko ngayon ang mga singsing na ito para isuot ninyo ito sa isa't isa at maghawak kamay kayo. Dapat ito'y laging nakasuot bilang palatandaan na may asawa na kayo. At hindi dapat ito nakikita sa Cebuana, Louis. Sige. Habang sinusuot ni Cholo, no, yung ano, meron ba kayong ready? Oh, ito na, hindi na.